Today's unboxing is on the Tarmac Works hobby accessories. The BBS LM Forged wheels is now available at tarmacworks.com, link down below, while the race TE37 SL Wheelset will be tentatively available in March. Big thanks to Tarmac Works for sending this to me for review. And now let's take a closer look at the BBS LM Forged wheelset. It comes in a premium and compact packaging. The packaging is also very presentable to showcase the wheelset that comes along with two sets of spacers, long and short, two sets of axles of the same width, and also a tire rack to display the wheelset for die-cast photography. Behind you can see how the wheelset is being showcased. Not just the BMW, I feel that the wheelset can be experimented with any of your 164 Tarmac Works casting. Nice and sharp. I like how the way it's been displayed. Very presentable. It also comes along with a decal with all the logos for you to select and apply onto the tire rack. I like the wheelset. It's very clean and very detailed down to the logo with accurate rubber tires in 1:64 scale. Two sets of highly detailed spacers, long and short, and also the standard axle. Installation is very simple. You can even do it with your bare hands, but hobby tools like these are a bonus. A hobby hammer, tweezers which are highly recommended for 1:64 parts, and also a blast head screwdriver. And today I will try on both wheelsets on the Falcon Toyota Supra. The wheelset are removed from the Supra effortlessly. You can use the spacer as a reference, in this case it's a short one. Insert the axle onto the wheels and hammer very delicately. You can even use your bare hand. Insert the spacer, and it's highly recommended to cover the wheels with a cloth before you hammer. Apply the new BBS wheelset on the base. Very simple, it shouldn't take more than 20 minutes. Make some final adjustment and it's done. These BBS wheels are looking fantastic on the Toyota Supra. And now let's apply the race wheel on the similar Supra. The process is the same. You can either use your hobby tool or even your bare hands to install the wheels. The pair of wheelset is done. It's very simple and fuss-free. Same process of installing the wheelset, just like the BBS. And here you go, you are done. The race wheelset looks perfect on the Toyota Supra. The Hobby 64 accessories is a very good call by Tarmac Works. It's inexpensive and yet highly detailed. More Tarmac Works unboxing coming. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.